Hi everyone. And welcome back to our channel. The skin is exposed to harmful agents, that significantly contributing to premature aging. These agents destroy the skin's protective barrier. This barrier consisting of a mixture of proteins, lipids and oils would protect the skin against dehydration and help to regenerate it. Weather helps to destroy this barrier, being very ruthless with your hands. Because of cold, wind and excessive heat, your smooth, soft and velvety skin can become red, cracked and rough. Frequent hand washing destroys the natural oil in your skin, dehydrating your hands completely. Therefore, it is best to use a gel or moisturizing cream every time you wash your hands. A deficient diet in vitamin A, B, C, E and sulfur is another factor that leads to dehydration and drying of the skin. Eczema, diabetes or underactive thyroid gland can also lead to dry skin. Also, as we grow older, the production of sebum decreases, leaving the skin exposed to problems. Because of these factors and not only, we must give our skin increased attention and care. Here are 3 ingredients that will help to care your skin at home, quickly, efficiently and inexpensively. Aloe vera is the most famous plant used for skin care. Aloe vera helps to increase blood circulation, which results in increased oxygen exchange in the cells. It helps relieve pain and insect bites, acne, sunburn, rashes and other skin conditions. Aloe vera solves problems related to wrinkles, aging, skin eruptions, allergies, and other skin problems. Also, aloe gel is very good for dry skin and has moisturizing and dry skin properties and cracked skin. Vitamins C and E contained in the aloe gel can improve the natural firmness of the skin and keep the skin hydrated. It can also be used as an ingredient in skin cleansers as it helps to remove dead skin cells, which will result in a softer and finer skin. Vitamin E has been included for many years in skin care treatments. It neutralizes the action of free radicals, protecting the skin from premature aging and even cancer. This prevents the formation of wrinkles and fades those already existing, smoothing the skin. Vitamin E nourishes deep skin tissues, prevents skin dryness, irritation and itching. Also, vitamin E treats scars and blurs brown spots on your skin. If combined with other antioxidants such as vitamin C and coenzyme Q10, vitamin E will have more powerful effects. Applying the coenzyme Q10 directly to the skin can reduce the effects of harmful agents by increasing cellular energy production and antioxidant effect. Coenzyme Q10 reduces oxidative stress, protects the dermis against ultraviolet rays and improves the appearance of wrinkles. An average size orange contains 0.3 mg of coenzyme Q10 and 69-70 mg of vitamin C. With these 3 ingredients, you can easily and quickly prepare at home a dry skin treatment of 1 leaf of aloe vera, 1 medium orange and 2-3 capsules of vitamin E. Collect the aloe leaf just a few minutes before preparing this natural dry skin treatment. The fresh aloe vera gel is unstable and it loses more than half of the nutrients in 2 hours. Collect aloe gel, peeled orange and put them in the blender. Mix for 1 minute. The mixture is placed in a ceramic or plastic container and the contents of 2-3 capsules of vitamin E are placed in it. Mix well the ingredients. Apply this mixture on clean skin. Gently massage your skin and let it work for 15 minutes, then rinse with water. Applies daily. In short time it makes your skin look and feel super hydrated, more radiant and softer to the touch. Hoping that you liked the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Do not forget to like and share this video, also to subscribe our channel for more information. Our channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow and your reactions allergic to various substances or food. I wish you a wonderful time, wherever you are.